Hey everybody, this is going to be a quick review of the GAOMON, or is it GAOMON? G-A-O-M-O-N, PD2200 drawing monitor. I didn't get this because I'm an artist. I don't have an artistic bone in my body. Instead, I love math, and next semester, hopefully, I'll be tutoring some college students. Plus, I want to record videos, video tutorials in math. And so far, so good. I am impressed with the PD2200. Why? Here are the pros. Let me go ahead and turn this toward so you can see it. There is the PD2200. This is my setup. There you go. That's my wife getting up in the background to let the dog out. Dog is right there. See the dog? Here's my setup. And the reason I am impressed, I gotta press the screen here so I can see. The reason I am impressed, it's huge. Look at this. It is 21.5 inches, and it has a 1920 by 1080 resolution. This allows somebody uncoordinated like me to have better results. It has an easy, stable, and flexible height adjustment method. And let me show you what I mean. Ready? Watch this. If I want to raise this, I just go like this. See? See that? It's not going to fall down. If I want to put it back down, I do the same thing. There's a latch in the back here. Can you see that? Just grab that like that and let it back down. Very impressive. Takes up a bit of room, but it's very impressive. Their customer service has been amazing. Dora has been a champ with the pre-sale support, responding to my questions and taking suggestions. And I should note, just in case, I have not had to use their customer service because of an issue. The PD2200 has had none. It has a, I guess they call it a 92% NTSC color gamut. I know that must be important. It comes with a passive. Here, let me show you the passive pen here. Let me turn this around so I can see it again. It comes with a passive, which means, translation, no battery required, pen with 8,192 pressure levels and an ability to work up to a plus or minus 60-degree angle. It has 8 shortcut keys right along here. I haven't made much use of them yet, but that's going to be handy. It comes with the anti-glare screen attached. See that right there? That's right. You don't have to put it on yourself. And it is bubble-free, although you can see there's a little speck right there. See, Dora, if you watch this video, Dora, there's a little speck right there. But no, you don't have to do anything. It's perfectly good. It comes, what else? So driver installation. Driver installation was easy. Just remember to do it as the administrator on your computer. Setup was as simple as installing the driver and then hooking up the USB, the HDMI, and the power cables. I'll admit I did have to take it out of the box, and that was well packed too. Very well done. GAOMON, is that how you say it? Something else that's really important. It is 1/3 the cost of the Wacom equivalent. Just 1/3 the cost. So basically, right now, when I got this, it was $400. The Wacom was $1,200. But most of all, why do you buy something like this? And of course, this is with the screen off, so it may not be pointing correctly. But why do you buy something like this? For it to work. All the other stuff's great. If it doesn't work, who cares? It works perfectly. Okay, cons. Any kind of device, or anything, even a car, is gonna have some competing priorities. So there are some cons. First, again, it's huge. It takes up a lot of space on your desk. And if you're not as big as I am, it's not gonna be very portable for you. However, it can, as you can see, it can basically replace a monitor. Look at the two sizes, right? It can basically replace a monitor. It's very nice. You're not gonna be connecting it to a VSET adapter though. It also does not have touchscreen support. And since the company doesn't advertise it as being a feature, it's less of a con than it is a, boy, I wish I had it. I think it'd be really neat if it did. And it's not going to get it. Be upfront, it's not going to get it from talking to Dora. Now, that's the review. The punchline is this, is if you need something like it, grab it. It's a great deal. And if it's too big, if this one's too big, they have other sizes, and some of those sizes actually do have the touchscreen support. So go ahead and get one of these GAOMON. I should have asked Dora how to pronounce her name. Go ahead and get whatever it's pronounced at. Get one of their products. I think you'll be very, very happy with it. I know I am. I chose this over getting a GoPro Max or a DJI, their new mini drone, and I made the right decision. This device here, I'll point out again, this device here is going to allow me to share my love of teaching with some students and with the world through YouTube. I will, right after we wrap up, I'm going to wrap up now, I'm going to put a small snippet of the video I recorded with this. It's going to be rough. It's my first math tutoring video, but it'll give you an idea of just how well this worked, mixed with a few other things. Bye.
Possibility, can we do this? What you go ahead and do is you take alpha 2 and you add it to what you have before, which is your beta, and you say, your question is it greater than or equal to 180 degrees? If it is greater than or equal to 180 degrees, then you only have one solution. Otherwise, if it's not, then you have two solutions. So let's go ahead and look at that. If we take our beta 2, 148 degrees, and we add 40 degrees, what do we end up with? We end up with 188 degrees. So we're only going to have one solution. And to let you know, I believe the one that I kind of mixed this off of actually had two solutions, which goes to show